Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this poster design in Canva. In a new Canva project, add your image to the design. Now go to element and add a frame to the image. So select this frame, adjust the size and place the frame on the image like this. Duplicate the frames twice and place it on the image. Now place this one at the center. Now add the image again. Place the image into the frames. Double click on the image and fit it to the design. Add the image on the second frame. Double click and make sure it fits. Add the image to the third frame. Double click on it and fit it to the design. Add the image again. Adjust the position. Now go to layers, show layers and click on the image. Then remove the background. And that's it guys. So let's add a blur background image from the element section. Now go to the element section and search for blur background image. Now go to photos and select this one. Now set it as image background. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials.